Have you ever wondered why chopping an onion makes almost everyone cry? Is the onion trying to defend itself? Or is there some hidden chemical reaction happening? Today, we'll uncover the fascinating science behind those tears, and also learn a few simple tricks to stop crying while cutting onions. The science behind this. An onion is made up of thousands of tiny cells. When you cut it with a knife, these cells break open and release enzymes and sulfur-containing compounds that were stored separately. These chemicals react with each other and produce a gas called the lacrimatory factor, which literally means tear-producing substance. This invisible gas rises into the air and reaches your eyes. Why do our eyes cry? When the gas touches the moisture on the surface of your eyes, it forms a mild, irritating chemical. Your eyes immediately detect this irritation and activate a natural defense mechanism. The tear glands start producing lots of tears to wash away the irritant and protect your eyes. So, you're not crying because you're emotional. Your eyes are simply cleaning themselves. How to prevent tears. Here are some easy tricks. Chill the onion in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes before cutting. Use a sharp knife to reduce damage to the onion cells. Turn on a fan or kitchen exhaust to blow the gas away. Wear protective glasses if you're cutting many onions. These methods reduce the amount of gas reaching your eyes. Conclusion. The next time someone cries while cutting onions, you'll know it's actually a clever chemical defense system created by nature. Science is hidden in our everyday kitchen. If you enjoyed learning this interesting fact, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing science behind everyday life.